Fairy circles, the captivating natural phenomena that have long intrigued scientists, researchers, and the public, are predominantly found across the grasslands of Namibia, and parts of Australia. These fascinating circular barren patches are surrounded by rings of lush vegetation, presenting an enigmatic sight that triggers numerous studies, theories, and debates about their origins. Despite significant advancements in scientific research, the mystery of fairy circles remains only partially unraveled, leaving room for scientific inquiry and cultural interpretation. The global fascination with fairy circles began when satellite imagery revealed these formations as polka dot patterns across the arid Namibian desert. Their precise circularity and seemingly random distribution led to various interpretations. From above, the patterns resemble a carefully orchestrated design, as if nature itself had painted a masterpiece on the desert's canvas. The first recorded observations of fairy circles date back to the early 20th century, but it wasn't until the advent of satellite technology that their widespread presence and intricate patterns were fully appreciated. One of the prominent theories explaining the formation of fairy circles is the vegetation competition theory. This hypothesis suggests that fairy circles result from an evolutionary adaptation among plants competing for scarce water resources in arid environments. Research indicates that plants around the periphery of fairy circles may channel water through extensive root systems away from the center, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem, where growth is concentrated at the edges while the inner circle remains barren. This process creates a stable pattern of barren patches surrounded by lush vegetation, forming the characteristic fairy circles. Another well-regarded explanation for fairy circles involves termites or ants as potential architects of these formations. Social insects such as sand termites or harvester ants build subterranean nests beneath each circle, consuming roots and preventing plant establishment on the surface. Their activities could enhance soil nutrients, fostering lush vegetation around the barren patches. Termites are known to create underground networks that can influence soil structure and water distribution, potentially contributing to the formation of these patterns. Recent research has explored the possibility that prehistoric influences shaped modern-day fairy circles. These formations might be remnants of ancient ecosystems engineered by early life forms adapting to environmental challenges long ago. Advanced modeling techniques now allow scientists to analyze subtle interactions beneath the surface that were previously undetectable, shedding light on the long-term processes that may have contributed to the formation of fairy circles. Some researchers speculate that fairy circles could result from ancient plant or microbial communities that once thrived in these regions. Beyond scientific inquiry, fairy circles hold deep cultural significance for local communities, which weave them into folklore traditions passed down through generations. In Namibia, the Himba people regard fairy circles as sacred spaces imbued with spiritual meaning, considering them as the footprints of the gods or the work of ancestral spirits who shaped the land. Similarly, in Australia, indigenous communities interpret fairy circles in their own ways, often linking them to dreamtime stories and the actions of ancestral beings. For many, fairy circles are not just natural phenomena, but also symbols of the timeless mysteries of the natural world. Despite decades of study, fairy circles remain one of nature's most intriguing mysteries. Scientists continue to explore this phenomenon using cutting-edge tools like computer simulations, high-end modeling programs, and advanced imaging techniques. One promising area of research involves using drone technology to map and monitor fairy circles over time. By capturing high-resolution images and data, scientists can track changes in vegetation, soil moisture, and insect activity, providing new insights into the dynamic processes that shape these formations. Interdisciplinary collaborations between ecologists, geologists, and anthropologists are helping to bridge the gap between scientific and cultural perspectives, offering a more holistic understanding of fairy circles. Fairy circles are a testament to the complexity and beauty of natural ecosystems. Whether shaped by vegetation competition, termite activity, or ancient environmental influences, these formations challenge our understanding of ecological processes and inspire awe in those who encounter them. As scientists continue to unravel the mysteries of fairy circles, they uncover the mechanisms behind their formation and the profound connections between humans and the natural world. Fairy circles remind us that nature is full of wonders that defy straightforward explanations. They invite us to look closer, to question our assumptions, and to appreciate the intricate balance of life that exists even in the harshest environments. Whether viewed through the lens of science or folklore, fairy circles are a powerful symbol of the enduring mysteries of our planet. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. Your feedback is appreciated. We hope to see you again.